Careful of the table over there. Oh my. Excellent.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're finished. Yeah. Oh yeah, and then we have to do a bow. Oh yeah. No. Oh yeah. Madonna's awesome. Okay. And then we have to do a bow. Remember our bow? Yeah. I'm doing it. We all hold hands.
Look.
We bow. So Olivia, you hold your
Look
hand
this
out
way,
like
though.
this. Remember? Hold your hand out like this. Okay, ready? Bow. Okay, call the radio station. Yeah, got it. Wait. Okay, do you want me to do it? We want to do it again?
Sure.
Yeah, do it again.
But
Position.
angle this way so you face the camera.
Okay. Ready? M-O-U, Madonna. I love you, Madonna. This happens on the wings. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, we love you. Emily, don't take it out of your way, Clara. Emily. What's that?
Ooh, I heard bones crack.
That's a ball.
You alright? Now the pyramid.
Oh yeah, pyramid. More of my butt. Yeah, I love you. Yeah, you love you, Madonna. Go, Chicago Bears. Yeah! Go, chicken is good. Go, chicken is good.
So my question to you, who is Madonna?
She's a cheerleader. No, she's a cheerleader, and she's a famous pop star. King, one more song, Firework. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind when you just start again? Do you ever feel I'm in so very deep, 69 descending, no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you when there's a spark of you? You just got it tonight. The light, you shine. Baby, you're a fire. You work. Come on, let you come. Let's burst. Make them go up. As you shoot across the sky. You have to feel.
Okay, say goodbye.